tourism is in full swing in Las Vegas since coronavirus restrictions were lifted in early June for all visitors. Shopping malls, casinos, and entertainment venues have been packed with crowds.
The city just reopened officially maybe about a couple weeks ago, a month ago. So I remember, just the week before that, Las Vegas Boulevard was dead. You could just drive down it and no traffic. But that's not the case anymore. I'm not sure if people are taking this new variant so seriously. If you go to the Strip, there's nobody's wearing a mask, for instance.
But it comes at a time when the highly infectious Delta variant continues to spread across Clark County, where only 39% of the population has been fully vaccinated. And local hospitals have been strained with an influx of new coronavirus patients.
We're starting to get back to levels we had when things were bad last fall. We just don't want to get there and have to deal with the widespread outbreak. Every one of those cases can result in a hospitalization or a death. And if we don't have things under control, we are a tourist economy, and we don't want to be the place that has uncontrolled COVID that really hurts our one main industry.
Elected officials voted this week to make it mandatory for employees to put masks back on in indoor settings, but stopped short of imposing a full mask mandate for the public. Masks are back in Las Vegas after regional health officials on Friday cited a rising number of coronavirus cases. They advised everyone, whether vaccinated or not, to use facial coverings in crowded places as well as indoors, but it appears hardly anybody is heeding that advisory. The current stagnation in vaccinations prompted Nevada's governor to seek help from the Federal Emergency Management Agency.
The White House provided strike teams that could go into different jurisdictions and help them try to improve their vaccination rates. And as our rates are on the lower end of the state rates, it makes sense that Nevada's asking for help.
Nevada recorded some of the highest unemployment rates in the country last year during the peak of the pandemic. The recent reopening brought many jobs back, but low vaccination rates coupled with spikes in hospitalizations could jeopardize that return to normality. Ediz, Tiyansan, CGTN, Las Vegas.